Somewhere under that pile of plywood is a belt sander. I have this corner back here. Years ago it looks like they had some water damage. I've been stacking wood over here, but I need to get in here to change my filters and be able to clean that up in there. As you can see, it's kind of grungy because I keep all this wood stored back here. I have this wood, and I have a bunch of dimensional stuff. This stuff here is mostly 2x4s and crap like that I've cut down that I use for jigs and stuff. This is stuff that I've acquired over the past few years. There's bits of oak, walnut, neat stuff in there. So I want to keep those two separate. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to take this wood, build a cart that fits in this hole. I want it to be on wheels, so I bought one of these $10 dollies because I can't buy the casters cheaper than I can buy a whole dolly at Harbor Freight. The thing that sucks is I have to end up throwing this stuff out, but the good thing is it's cheaper and I get the bolts from it, so I guess it's kind of a win. If the price was closer, I'd probably just buy the casters, but I mean, it's literally like 20% cheaper to buy a little dolly like this and harvest the casters off it for my project. So these guys are going to be on the bottom of my bin. Okay, so there it is, it's done. One thing I did add to it that I thought would be kind of cool is these holes. I drilled some 1-inch holes in the sides and put a couple of bungee straps across it to kind of keep it from falling apart. It's not going to keep it from falling apart if it gets a whole lot of force put to it, but for the most part I think it's going to keep things from falling down on me when I move the cart and busting me on the noggin. It still could do it, but hopefully it won't. So now I've got my corner back. You can move that out of the way and get to the furnace. It's nice and clean back in there. You can get to the sander, you can get to the drill press, and I've still got room enough to wrestle around with my toolbox if I need to, or maybe even move my recycle bin over here. The possibilities are endless.